They're on every street, worn by celebrities and athletes alike. But have you ever wondered how sneakers are made? From the first sketch to the final product, join us as we uncover the journey of these iconic shoes. Welcome to Behind the Craft. Every sneaker starts with a vision. Designers draw inspiration from fashion, sports, and even architecture. Through sketches and digital models, they bring their ideas to life, balancing aesthetics with functionality. Choosing the right materials is crucial. From leather and mesh to recycled fabrics and advanced foams, each component is selected for durability, comfort, and style. Rigorous testing ensures they meet performance standards. Before mass production, prototypes are crafted to evaluate fit, comfort, and aesthetics. These samples undergo wear tests, ensuring they meet the brand's standards and consumer expectations. In the factory, precision and efficiency are key. Materials are cut, stitched, and assembled using advanced machinery and skilled labor. Each step, from molding soles to attaching uppers, is meticulously executed. Before reaching consumers, each pair undergoes strict quality checks. Inspectors examine stitching, glue, and overall finish. Once approved, sneakers are packaged and shipped worldwide. If you enjoyed this journey into watchmaking, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.